Wisconsin, nestled in the heart of the American Midwest, is often overlooked for its bustling coastal counterparts. Yet, beneath its unassuming exterior lies a hidden gem of natural beauty waiting to be discovered. From its sparkling lakes and verdant forests to its rolling hills and sprawling prairies, Wisconsin offers a diverse landscape that captivates the soul. Its natural wonders provide a sanctuary for countless species of flora and fauna, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Wisconsin's reputation as a haven for outdoor recreation is well deserved. With its abundance of natural resources, the state provides ample opportunities for adventure and tranquility. Whether you seek the thrill of kayaking through pristine waters, the serenity of hiking amidst towering pines, or the joy of observing wildlife in their natural habitat, Wisconsin has something to offer every nature lover. The state's commitment to conservation is evident in its numerous state parks, forests, and natural areas. These protected spaces not only preserve Wisconsin's natural heritage for future generations, but also provide the public with unparalleled access to the great outdoors. So, if you're yearning to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with nature, look no further than Wisconsin, a state where natural beauty knows no bounds. Wisconsin's landscape is a testament to the power of nature's artistry. Carved by ancient glaciers, the state boasts a remarkable diversity of geographical features. Its nickname, Land of 10,000 Lakes, is no exaggeration. Over 15,000 shimmering bodies of water dot the landscape, ranging from small, secluded ponds to vast island-studded lakes. These lakes, remnants of a bygone glacial era, are more than just picturesque. They are the lifeblood of Wisconsin's ecosystem. They provide habitat for a myriad of fish species, attract migratory birds, and offer endless opportunities for recreation. Beyond the lakes, Wisconsin is a land cloaked in emerald green. Nearly half of the state is covered in forests, a mix of hardwoods and conifers that paint the landscape in vibrant hues. The northern third of Wisconsin is dominated by the Chequamegon-Nicolet National Forest, a sprawling expanse of towering pines, whispering aspen, and tranquil lakes. In the south, rolling hills and valleys give way to prairies, remnants of a once vast grassland ecosystem. These prairies, though fragmented, are a testament to Wisconsin's ecological diversity and provide critical habitat for a unique array of plant and animal life. Wisconsin's diverse geography supports an equally diverse array of plant life. From the towering pines of the north to the delicate wildflowers of the prairies, the state is a tapestry of green, bursting with life in every season. In spring, the forest floor awakens with a vibrant display of wild flowers, trillium, bloodroot, and Dutchman's breeches carpet the ground in a riot of color. As summer approaches, ferns unfurl their delicate fronds and the air fills with the sweet scent of honeysuckle. Autumn transforms the landscape into a breathtaking mosaic of color. Maples, oaks, and aspen trees erupt in fiery hues of crimson, gold, and orange, while the understory glows with the deep reds and purples of sumac and Virginia creeper. Even in winter, when snow blankets the ground, Wisconsin's plant life displays its resilience. Conifers stand tall against the white backdrop, their branches laden with snow, while dormant buds hold the promise of spring's renewal. Wisconsin's diverse habitats provide a haven for a remarkable array of wildlife. From the depths of its lakes to the canopy of its forests, the state teems with creatures great and small. White-tailed deer are a common sight, their graceful forms often glimpsed bounding through meadows or along forest edges. Black bears, though more elusive, also inhabit the state's northern forests, their presence a reminder of Wisconsin's wild side. The lakes and rivers are home to a variety of fish species, including walleye, muskellunge, and trout, prized catches for anglers seeking a challenging and rewarding experience. Ospreys and bald eagles soar overhead, their keen eyes scanning the waters for a meal, while great blue herons stand patiently along the shores, their long necks poised for a lightning-fast strike. In the prairies, ground squirrels scurry through the tall grasses, while meadowlarks fill the air with their melodious songs. These open habitats are also home to a variety of reptiles and amphibians, including snakes, turtles, and frogs. Section 5. Exploring Wisconsin's natural treasures. Wisconsin's commitment to preserving its natural heritage is evident in its extensive system of state parks, forests, and natural areas. These protected spaces offer unparalleled opportunities to experience the state's natural beauty firsthand. Devil's Lake State Park, nestled amidst the Baraboo Bluffs, is a hiker's paradise. Its quartzite bluffs carved by ancient glaciers offer stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Visitors can explore miles of trails, swim in the park's namesake lake, or simply relax and soak in the scenery. For those seeking a true wilderness experience, the Boundary Waters Canoe Area Wilderness, straddling the border between Wisconsin and Minnesota, beckons. This million-acre labyrinth of lakes and forests is accessible only by water, offering a unique opportunity to disconnect from the modern world and immerse oneself in nature. Along the shores of Lake Superior, Apostle Island's National Lakeshore showcases the raw power of nature. Visitors can explore sea caves carved by the relentless waves, hike through old-growth forests, or kayak among the islands, marveling at their rugged beauty. Section 6. Embracing the Seasons, Wisconsin's Climate and Outdoor Recreation. Wisconsin's climate is as diverse as its landscape, with 4 distinct seasons that offer year-round opportunities for outdoor recreation. Summers are warm and humid, perfect for swimming, boating, and fishing in the state's many lakes and rivers. Hiking trails beckon, offering the chance to explore cool, shady forests or bask in the sun-drenched meadows. Autumn brings a kaleidoscope of colors as the leaves change, creating a breathtaking backdrop for scenic drives, hikes, and bike rides. As the weather cools, apple orchards and pumpkin patches come alive with activity, offering a taste of fall's bounty. Winter transforms Wisconsin into a winter wonderland with opportunities for skiing, snowboarding, snowshoeing, and ice fishing. Frozen lakes become playgrounds for ice skaters and hockey enthusiasts, while cozy cabins offer warmth and respite from the cold. Spring brings a renewed sense of life as the snow melts, flowers bloom, and migratory birds return. Hiking trails, once buried under snow, re-emerge, inviting exploration and discovery. No matter the season, Wisconsin offers endless opportunities to connect with nature and embrace the beauty of the outdoors. Section 7. Safeguarding Wisconsin's Natural Heritage. Wisconsin has a long and proud tradition of conservation, recognizing that its natural resources are not only essential to its economy but also to its identity. The state has taken significant steps to protect its land, water, and wildlife for future generations. Through the establishment of state parks, forests, and natural areas, Wisconsin has set aside millions of acres of land for conservation and recreation. These protected spaces provide crucial habitat for wildlife, safeguard water quality, and offer the public unparalleled access to the great outdoors. Wisconsin also recognizes the importance of sustainable forestry practices, ensuring that its forests are managed in a way that balances economic benefits with ecological integrity. By promoting responsible logging practices and reforestation efforts, Wisconsin ensures that its forests will continue to thrive for generations to come. The state is also actively involved in efforts to improve water quality in its lakes and rivers, addressing issues such as pollution and invasive species. Through education, regulation, and restoration efforts, Wisconsin is working to ensure that its waterways remain healthy and vibrant for both people and wildlife. Section 8. Wisconsin, where nature's beauty endures. Wisconsin may not have towering mountains or dramatic coastlines, but its beauty lies in its subtle charm and quiet splendor. Its lakes, forests, prairies, and hills, sculpted by glaciers and nurtured by time, offer a sanctuary for both the body and soul. From the thrill of reeling in a trophy fish to the serenity of paddling a canoe across a still lake, Wisconsin provides endless opportunities to reconnect with nature and escape the stresses of everyday life. Its diverse wildlife, from the soaring eagles to the delicate wildflowers, serves as a constant reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. Wisconsin's commitment to conservation ensures that its natural beauty will endure for generations to come. By preserving its wild spaces, protecting its waterways, and promoting sustainable practices, Wisconsin serves as a model for other states looking to balance economic growth with environmental stewardship. So if you're seeking a destination where natural beauty reigns supreme, look no further than Wisconsin, a hidden gem in the heartland waiting to be discovered.